The cycle of life is a mesmerizing dance of birth, growth, decay, and renewal, all orchestrated by nature's hand. Each season teaches us about the inevitability of change. In spring, buds bloom with promise, while summer shines with vibrant energy. As autumn arrives, leaves transform and fall, reminding us of the beauty in letting go. Winter envelops everything in stillness, but also prepares the ground for new beginnings. This natural rhythm reflects our own existence. We experience joy, loss, and rebirth. By observing nature's cycles, we learn to embrace our own transitions, understanding that each ending is merely a prelude to something new. Life's impermanence fosters appreciation and resilience.